You know our heroes, but do you know what happens when you combine them with our roster of electrical tape solutions? By using the right combination of Scotch electrical tapes, you can tackle any electrical challenge with ease and efficiency, ensuring the job is done right the first time, every time. Whether you need insulating and splicing, environmental sealing, cable jacket repair, phase identification, or bundling and wire pulling, 3M has you covered. For over 75 years, Scotch premium vinyl electrical tapes have been the trusted choice by generations of electricians. Now, you can take it one step further by combining these premium tapes with our full range of tape solutions. Let's see what happens when you do. Don't leave your splice and reputation to chance. That's why you should choose Scotch Super 33 Plus and Super 88 professional grade vinyl electrical tapes. These tapes are specifically designed to help protect your splices and ensure they last. Let's take a closer look at the installation of a low-voltage splice. By wrapping the splice in Super 33 Plus, you're providing it with proper insulation. This allows you to safely activate the electrical connection. The strong adhesion of the tape also helps to protect the cable from cuts and abrasions. When applying vinyl electrical tape, it's important to stretch the tape to create an inward pressure so you can get a tight environmental seal. Premium vinyl tapes like Super 33 Plus quickly return to their original form when stretched. This allows the tape to constrict against the cable, creating a tight seal that provides long-lasting protection. This inward pressure is especially crucial when cables expand and contract due to hot and cold weather. Super 33 Plus and Super 88 tapes follow cable movement during contraction and expansion, thanks to their elastic memory. It adapts to different shapes to help create durable connections. When it comes to splicing, there are a few key factors to consider helping ensure the integrity of your connection. One of the most important aspects is achieving tight, clean wraps. Building up insulation with tight and clean half-lap layers not only provides the professional look you're looking for, but also offers the mechanical and abrasion protection you need. In more demanding environments, the 8.5mm Super 88 tape provides increased mechanical and abrasion resistance, helping to ensure your safety and the integrity of your connection. When working with vinyl electrical tapes, it's recommended to use scissors or a box cutter to cleanly cut the tape. This not only gives your splice a clean and professional look, but also helps avoid flagging, which can cause the tape to start to peel or unravel. If there's a chance you may need to access the splice in the future, reverse wrapping can be a helpful technique. By reverse wrapping, you shield the splice from the adhesive side of the tape, making removal clean and simple when needed. For higher voltage splices, it's important to think of your combination of tapes. You'll still want to finish with Super 33 Plus or Super 88 tape, but that's after using a softer rubber and mastic product like Scotch 130C, 23, 2228, or 2229. This combination helps strengthen the splice, provides mechanical and abrasion resistance, and creates the tight environmental seal necessary for a long-lasting connection. Not only will this ensure the longevity of your splice, but it will also showcase your top-notch craftsmanship. Another bonus of choosing Super 33 Plus and Super 88 tapes is that they are ultraviolet stable, making them ideal for harsh environments and exposed outdoor splice connections. Their ultraviolet resistance helps protect against surface deformation, which could lead to cracking and failure. Remember, general use tapes are not recommended for exposed outdoor applications. Let's take a deeper look at cold weather performance. When it comes to vinyl electrical tape, there's no doubt that Super 33 Plus tape is the go-to choice in the industry. Trusted for generations, it has proven its reliability time and time again. But when your temperatures plummet, you need a tape strong enough to hold. That's where Super 88 tape comes in. With its thicker 8.5mm construction, it offers enhanced performance in low temperatures. Unlike other tapes, Super 88 tape is designed to come off the roll much easier, even in extreme cold, with temperatures as low as 18 degrees below 0 Celsius or 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it the ideal choice for cold weather applications. We looked at insulating and splicing and cold weather applications. Now let's look at the combination of tapes you need to repair a cable jacket. When it comes to repairing low-voltage cable jackets, Super 33 Plus and Super 88 tapes are your go-tos. Whether you're dealing with minor damages or need to reinforce the cable jacket, Super 33 Plus and Super 88 tapes provide reliable and effective repairs. Their strong adhesion and durable construction help ensure a secure and long-lasting fix. However, for medium-voltage cable jackets, you need backup. You need Scotch Cable Jacket Repair 2234 tape. With its mastic adhesive and tough rubber backing, 2234 tape is specifically designed for cable jacket repairs in medium-voltage applications. Its superior sealing properties help to provide excellent protection against moisture and environmental factors. To further enhance the longevity of your cable jacket repair, you'll want to wrap the ends with Super 33 Plus or Super 88 tape. This helps create a tight environmental seal, safeguarding the repaired area from potential damage and extending the life of your cable jacket. Next, we're going to look at phasing. Don't fade out. For phase marking projects in outdoor environments, you need a fade-resistant tape to help ensure your safety and the safety of anyone else who may come in contact with your work. You need Scotch 35 vinyl color coating electrical tape, available in a variety of vibrant colors, allowing you to meet your local phase marking requirements. But what sets the 35 tape apart is its fade resistance. With a similar construction to Super 33 Plus, 35 tape colors are resistant to fading over time, ensuring long-lasting visibility. This helps to avoid potentially dangerous situations for you and your coworkers in the future. By choosing 35 tape, you can confidently mark phases in outdoor environments, knowing that your work will remain visible even in the harsh sunlight. And now, let's tackle wire pulling. When it comes to wire pulling and bundling, there are several options available. While premium tapes like Super 33 Plus, Super 88, and 35 are commonly used for these tasks, there's a more cost-effective solution that can get the job done just as effectively. For bundling and wire pulling tasks, choose 3M Temflex Vinyl Electrical Tape 165 and 175. These tapes are ideal for wire pulling and bundling, offering a cost-effective alternative without compromising on quality. By utilizing Temflex 165 and 175 tapes, you can save your premium tapes, the good stuff, like Super 33 Plus, Super 88, and 35, for your critical applications. These premium tapes provide the assurance that your customers' electrical connections are safe and trouble-free for years to come. For over 75 years, Scotch Premium Vinyl Electrical Tapes have been the trusted choice by generations of electricians. When it comes to ensuring the longevity, reliability, and performance of your electrical connections, you can trust our heroes, Super 33 Plus, Super 88, and 35 tapes. They're specifically designed to meet the highest standards in the industry. And when you combine them with our wide range of electrical solutions, you can confidently tackle a variety of applications, ensuring the safety and durability of your electrical work. Whether you're working in critical applications where electrical connection failures could lead to costly downtime, particularly in industrial and utility environments, or in repair situations where you want to ensure your work will stand the test of time and maintain your professional reputation, or in exposed outdoor environments where ultraviolet exposure could threaten the integrity of a splicing application or phase marking, or even in cold weather environments where the workability and adhesion of your electrical tape is critical. Choose the brand trusted by generations.